This is sum number 7 part 2. If x cube plus y cube direct variation with x cube minus y cube, let us prove that x plus y direct variation with x minus y. Now x cube plus y cube direct variation with x cube minus y cube, these are given. So therefore we can write that x cube plus y cube equal to k x cube minus y cube, where k not equal to 0 and constant variation. So after that, from right hand side, if x cube minus y cube are put in the left hand side, this should be in the denominator. After using componendo dividendo, x cube plus y cube plus x cube minus y cube by x cube plus y cube minus x cube plus y cube, k plus 1 k minus 1, using componendo x cube plus x cube 2x cube by y cube plus y cube 2y cube equal to k1, where k1 equal to k plus 1 k minus 1. After that, eliminating those, x by y equal to whole cube equal to 3 root k1. No, if we put that here, cube root both side, we get here x by y equal to k2, where k2 equal to 3 cube root of k1. Now here, using componendo dividendo one more time, we get x plus y x minus y equal, this should be k2 by 1, k2 plus 1 by k2 minus 1, using componendo dividendo. So therefore x plus y equal to x minus y into k3, where k3 equal to k2 plus 1 by k2 minus 1. So therefore this is a formation of direct variation. So therefore we can write x plus y direct variation with x minus y. It is proved. This is sum number 8 for the variation chapter. If 15 farmers can cultivate 18 bighas of land in 5 days, let us determine by using theory of variation the number of days required by 10 farmers to cultivate 12 bighas of land. Now here I denote farmer as n, number of persons, day as d, bigha as a. Farmer is 15 when day is 5 and bigha is 18. Now farmer is 10, bigha is 12. We have to find the number of days. First of all, in farmer and day both are related in inverse variation. Why? If farmer increases, day decreases, and if farmer decreases, day increases. So therefore we can say that in and farmer and bigha both are in direct variation or simple variation. Direct variation means if farmer increases, bigha is also increases, and if farmer decreases, so bigha is also decreases. This is the manpower. That's why the cultivation increases and the cultivation decreases according to the man increases and according to the man decreases. So therefore we can say that n is direct variated variation with A. So by combining both of these, we can say that n, therefore n equal to k into A by D, where k not equal to 0 and k is constant variation. First of all, we have to find the value of k. Now here the farmer is 15, n is 15, so therefore n is 15, a is 18 and d is 5. Therefore k equal to 15 into 5 by 18. This is the value of k. So after finding the value of k, we have to write this equation putting the value of k. We can write that n equal to 15 into 5, 75 by 18 AD. This is the equation 1. Now we know farmer is 10 and bigha is 12. So putting n equal to 10 and a equal to 12 in equation 1, we get 10 equal to 75 by 18 into 12 by d. So therefore cross multiply d, come here, d equal to 75 into 12 by 10 into 18 by 6. This is 2, 6, this is 3, 3, 75, 25, 2, 10s are 5, 5, 25s are 5. So therefore the required day is 5. Required day is 5. This is sum number 11. If A direct variation with B and B direct variation with C, let us show that A cube B cube plus B cube C cube plus C cube A cube direct variation with ABC in bracket A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Now if A, B and B, C is given, so therefore we can write A equal to K1 B and B equal to K2 C. Both are constant variation, but both are not equal, both are different. Now here we have to write down the value of B, which one is K2C. So therefore we can write A equal to K3C, where K3 equal to K1 into K2, and here K1, K2, K3 all are not equal to 0 and constant variation. Now here if we find that this value this value is a constant, this value is constant, therefore we can prove that a cube b cube plus b cube c cube plus c cube a cube, direct variation with abc into a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Now here we have to put those values. A means k3c whole cube into b cube, b means k2c whole cube plus k2c whole cube into c cube plus c cube into k3c whole cube. Value of A is k3c, B is k2c and C is c. A cube means in third bracket k3c whole cube plus k2c whole cube plus c whole cube. Just writing those values, and after that we have to cubing this and simplify that. So therefore we can get k3 cube c cube into k2 cube c cube plus k2 cube c cube into c cube plus c cube into k3 cube c cube. Now here k3 k2 k3 into k2 c into c into c, therefore c cube, and here k3 c cube plus k2 cube c cube plus c cube. Now here you can see c3 into c3 c6, here also c3 into c3 c6, here also c3 into c3 c6, both are common into first three algebraic expression, therefore we can common c3 into c3, the remaining part is k33 plus k33 into k23 in plus k33, and here k3 into k2 into c cube into common, here we have to let common here also c cube, therefore the remaining part is k33 plus k2 whole cube plus 1. Now we have to eliminate this. Now here total this value is a constant variation, and this is not equal to 0, and also there is no sign of any value of a, b or c. A, b and c are these variables here, so here is no a, b and c, so therefore is constant, therefore a cube b cube plus b cube c cube, b cube c cube plus c cube a cube, direct variation with abc, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Complete.